Although it was expensive, we bought it anyway. The victory of desire over logic. Although he worked hard, he did not pass the exam. The cruelty of result. Although people do not agree with it, the recognition of difference. Sometimes facts clash. Sometimes one feeling prevails over another. That is although. While I was cooking, he did the dishes while the children were sleeping. The parents had a moment of rest, while one works, the other rests. Life is not a straight line. It is two things at once. It is the dance of wild. As if he has no time, he walks away quickly. The feigned haste, he acted as if he did not see me. The feigned invisibility, as if nothing is wrong. The perfect mask, cause you know I live in Amsterdam. The shared knowledge as agreed, we start at 9 o'clock. The shared appointment, as mentioned above. The formal reference, we use images as if and precedents as to understand the world. While I was cooking, he did the dishes while the children were sleeping. The parents had a moment of rest, while one works, the other rests. Life is not a straight line. It is two things at once. It is the dance of wild. As we get older, our priorities change. The wisdom of time. As the day progressed, it became busier. The inevitable buildup as time passes. The simple fact of progress, nothing stays the same. Everything evolves as long as you do your homework, you may watch TV. The deal of duration, as long as there is life, there is hope. The philosophical contract, as long as supplies last. The practical contract, since he retired, he has many hobbies. The starting point of a new life. Since I started learning Dutch, I understand more. The starting point of understanding. Since the new law is in force, the starting point of new rules. So that everyone can hear it, he speaks loudly. The direct purpose. I save money so that I can travel next year. The personal purpose, so that no misunderstanding arises. The preventive purpose, in order not to forget, we wrote it down. The formal written purpose, so that this never happens again. The ultimate preventive purpose. While I was cooking, he did the dishes while the children were sleeping. The parents had a moment of rest. I saved money so that I can travel next year. So that this never happens again. Life is simultaneity, and within that simultaneity we seek a purpose, a reason, a so that, and in order that, until a solution is found. Everything in the first song waited for a bus, a bell. Here we wait for something greater, a solution. The purpose of all this thinking, this contrast, this waiting, this doing, is a solution. Until